We're so excited you are interested in our 4K program. We hope that this video will help provide you with some valuable information. Hello, we'd like to start by introducing ourselves. My name is Sean Schlewe.
And I'm Nicole Granke.
We are the current 4K teachers for the Sheboygan Falls School District. We currently have 4 sections of 4K, and we both teach a morning and an afternoon section.
In this video, we will be discussing some frequently asked questions, and we will also be showing you our learning spaces. We base our instruction using the Wisconsin model of early learning standards. We deliver our content through a hands-on approach through the areas of cognition, social-emotional, creative expression, and self-help.
We have a play-based approach to our instruction. The children have multiple opportunities throughout the day to explore areas of interest and interact with peers. Academic and social skills are delivered through large group, small group, and individualized instruction.
We understand that children this age need to move. Music enhances learning and engages children naturally. We also strive to develop the whole child, which would include fine motor and gross motor skills. This looks like cutting, coloring, painting, lacing, to running, climbing, and throwing.
As stated earlier, each teacher has a morning and afternoon section. If you have a preference for one or the other, please let our office staff know. They will do their best to accommodate, but we need to keep the morning and afternoon sections at an equal size. Preferences will be considered at a first-come, first-served basis. If your child is placed in one of our morning sections and they choose to ride the bus, they will come to school on a big bus with the other elementary school children, but they will be going home at midday on a small bus with just 4K children. The afternoon children who ride the bus will come to school on a small bus with just 4K children, but will go home at the end of the day on a large bus with the rest of the elementary school children.
Our class sizes have a ratio of about 10 students to 1 adult. Each room has a full-time teacher and an instructional aide to ensure your child's social-emotional development, their physical safety, and so that they are receiving the individualized attention they deserve. Our 4K classrooms are located next to each other. The red cubbies to your left are shared between the morning and afternoon class. Each classroom has a tiled area designed intentionally for promoting sensory integration, fine motor development, and self-help skills. You'll see a large carpet area where we will do our whole group learning and movement. This is a view of the other classroom. We're excited to share that each room has technology such as interactive whiteboards and iPads. You will also see that we have bathrooms in both classrooms. They're specifically designed for this age group. Some of the other areas that you are seeing include a cozy reading nook, an area for building and imaginative play, as well as a variety of materials for children to explore and create. As we direct you out of our classrooms, you will see how close in proximity our YMCA daycare and playground are. Children will have the opportunity to play and explore outside each day.
We encourage families to be involved in their child's 4K experience. Some of the opportunities we have are family nights or activities throughout the school year. You're able to come and chaperone field trips or help with class parties in the classroom. And we also have small group instruction where you can come and assist with centers. We know that not all parents are able to come in during the school day to help, so we have other opportunities where you can help from home by sending in supplies or making Play-Doh.
Families are a child's first teacher. We strive to share information about our learning through newsletters, emails, and phone calls home. Each year we have parent-teacher conferences to talk specifically about your child's growth. Report cards will be available for your viewing at the end of each semester. As stated before, we have wraparound care through the YMCA. You can get more information by going to the Sheboygan Falls YMCA. If you're needing any more information, our office staff is here to support you. Our enrollment process is simple. You can create an Infinite Campus account online to fill out all the forms electronically, or you can pick up a registration folder from our elementary school office. You will need to bring 2 documents with you, your child's birth certificate and proof of residency. Once our staff views these documents, we will return them to you. Thank you for your interest in our 4K program at Sheboygan Falls School District. We're looking forward to meeting you and your child in the fall.